Keep my fight.
You're on my ass, bro. Fuck. Calm your ass down. Fuck. Nigga behind you fucking crashing. I'm fucking on my ass and shit. But damn, get to the video. I was just testing the fucking drive, bro. Why, yo? We got bad news. Somebody crashed into my fucking, bro. Nigga reversed into my bike, bro. He left a note. He said he gonna, the owner said he gonna just give me fucking cash, bro. I just gotta get the quote and he said fuck insurance. But I show you the fucking damages. Y'all see one damage, the fucking clutch fucking broke, fucking chipped off and shit. Bro, I was tight, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I was tight than a bitch, bro. I was fucking tight, bro. I ain't know what to do, but I'm like, bro, let me keep my composure, bro. Whole time. The whole fucking time I had to keep my composure, bro. I was tight, bro. I'm fucking shifting into unnecessary gears. But I show y'all the damage, bro. Tomorrow we still gonna ride this bike because we gotta go find a fucking repair bike shop. And I type don't want to take it through insurance because I gotta sell this bike around July. And I need my profits. I need everything in return, bro. I'm just tight, bro. I'm tight, bro. I'm just rambling because, yo, what the fuck? How you did not see the fucking bike, bro? When you reverse, you gotta look at the spot you was in, right? You gotta look at the spot that you fucking backing into. So how the fuck you missed the bike? Nuts. Fuck, bro. Now let's talk about the damages. Let's turn this shit off. I think I still got the silver veneer in my fucking pocket. But look it, bro. The fucking clutch fucking chipped off, bro. What the fuck? So we got that piece. First damage. We're gonna go from the front to the back. The fucking turn signal Fucking one of them ping pongs, you know, them little ping pong shits. That's exactly what this shit is right here, bruh. Look at fairing, fuck. This fairing, same fairing. Like while I was riding, everything seemed valid. When I first got to the spot where the bike was at, I seen a puddle, so I think this shit was leaking from it, cause that was the only cause the top was off, so I believe, and it's coolant, so we might have to refill the coolant. Fuck. We got this little scratch right here, and Honda, for some reason, they not delivering they shit right away, so it's gonna take some time to get these parts, bro. And fuck, bro, I'm out of let me know in the comments if I should go through insurance or let them pay out of pocket. Remember, I do gotta sell this bike in July, so, and I know if I go through insurance, it's gonna take some money off of this shit since it's been in an accident. But I wanna know what y'all think. Look at this shit right here. If y'all can see that, that's fucked. That's fucked. We got a scuff on this shit. Bad. Horrible. Nothing on the wheel. This little shit. Case cover came in handy. So I guess that's nothing. Pedals scuffed. They replacing everything that got a scratch in it, bruh. I'm not playing. I don't want none of this shit. This shit, I don't know if it been like that. I do not remember how this was, if this was shown or not. I don't know. I don't know. Fuck it. Little scrape right here. Scrape right here. I got y'all facing sideways and shit, my bad. We're gonna go back to the parts. So this right here, scraped up. Fucking back. Look at this shit, bro. Fucking bent my license plate. Look at this shit, bro. Fuck. Look at it. Fuck. Don't even pop in place. GoPro still intact. The GoPro was not in the case when the accident happened. Of course not. Somebody try to steal my GoPro. You wildin'. Fucking tail light. Damn, my bad for the sideways. Tail light all fucked up. Look at this shit cricket. Yeah, this shit definitely cricket. Fuck, bro. And we keeping the cursing on here. We not editing nothing. I don't get paid from YouTube anyway, so yeah. Bro, how much y'all think the damage will be, bro? I just got off the work too and came up to this. I was tight, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm motherfucking tight. The front seems valid besides this. Oh. Man. Damn, bro. Fuck. Clutch is the one that there's the only part on the bike that feels so weird, because I usually have something that just have my hand from not slipping. This will like really block it, but no, it just slips. I don't think that really matters. But yeah, man, bad news for this video. Fuck. But man, make sure y'all subscribe and like, man. We'll go to the shop tomorrow, the motorcycle repair shop, see the value, get a quote, and we'll go from there. So don't miss out on that video. Subscribe and like. Peace. We found a shop. It's called Asylum Cycles. So you better go check them out. I think they like 15-20 minutes away. And I didn't notice, but look at my peg. It's bent in. So yeah. Take a little walk around. Review the damage again real quick. That's it. Yeah, bad. But yeah, let's get a quick start up. Hear that $100 exhaust system. When I got off of work, the bike didn't look like it was damaged at all until I see the note and looked at the bike. I'm like, bruh, yo, I was tight. I went into my workplace like heated, bro. Like I kept taking off, taking off my helmet, cause I didn't know what to do, bro. Like I know accidents happen, so I was calm a little bit, but I was like frustrated, cause bro, how you did not see the bike? Like how, bro? And he backed into it. That's the thing. That's the thing, bro. Once, like, yo, when you back into a spot, don't you look at the spot first? Like, you gotta see if the spot is clear so you can fucking reverse into type shit, bro. So, I just don't get it how the fuck he fucking reverse into it. I just don't understand, bro. He wasn't checking his fucking mirrors. That's what it was. Oh, I don't see no car right there, so I don't gotta look between the cars to see if something is really in there. Like, bruh. And I'm going by the fucking GPS. I don't know where the fuck this place is. Oh man, I haven't been over here in a minute. Yeah. I got like two GPSs talking to me at the same time.